Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off those annoying recommendation notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you've been getting constant alerts about posts, topics, or people X thinks you might like, this quick guide will help you silence them once and for all. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main navigation menu with several options like Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. Now, look in the top right corner of your Notifications page. You'll see a small gear or settings button. Click on that. This will take you to your notification settings, where you can customize what alerts you want to receive. Next, find and select Preferences. Once inside, choose Push Notifications. Here is where most of X's alert options are located, including those automatic recommendations that keep popping up. Under the section labeled From X, you'll see a list of toggle options. One of these is Recommendations. This is the setting responsible for sending you notifications about tweets or accounts that X thinks you might find interesting. To stop getting these, simply uncheck the box next to Recommendations. And that's it. Once you've unchecked that option, the app will immediately stop sending recommendation notifications. You'll only get alerts for things that truly matter to you, like mentions, replies, or activity from people you follow. Taking a minute to adjust this setting can make your time on X much more peaceful and focused. You'll still have all the control you want over your notifications without the extra noise. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.